What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I remove my Gelx, press-ons, and gel polish. I will be demoing this on one finger for speedy purposes, but I do this across the board. So here's the products that we're going to need in today's video to remove our nails. All of the products you see in today's video will be in the description bar down below, so definitely check that out. And let's begin with filing off the top coat. Using my hand file, I'm going to remove the top coat. Once I completely remove the top coat, I am going to go ahead and trim the extension to my natural nail length. Once that's done, I am going to jump into my drill, and I'm going to use that to remove all of the gel polish off of my nail. Once all the polish is removed, we want to go ahead and give our hands a nice cleansing. So I'm going to take my alcohol pad and go ahead and cleanse the nail so I can go ahead and begin the soaking process. So I'm going to take 100% pure acetone, and I'm going to wrap this tightly in aluminum foil so the acetone doesn't evaporate, and set my alarm for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes is set, do a temperature check to see if the gel is soft enough to remove. This is not always the case depending on the brand, but here my gel was soft enough to go ahead and remove. So take your gel removal tool and just slightly push down on the nail, and everything should lift easily. Do not force. If it's still rough to take off, repeat this process and make sure that all glue is off the sides of the nails as well. And then we're going to go ahead and give ourselves a manicure. I am going to trim the nail, and then we're going to work on these cuticles. So I'm going to take my cuticle softener and go ahead and put this all over my cuticles, and then I'm going to start pushing back all of that dead skin off the nail. As you guys can see, this was easily lifting and taking everything off. Once I'm happy with the removal process, I am going to go ahead and cleanse the nail again. And now I'm going to go ahead and clip off any kind of dead skin, so that way our fingers can look like we just came from a nail salon, you guys know. And then lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and file and shape up my nail, making sure that everything is nice and smooth. Also, don't forget the edges. Alrighty, and then lastly, to finish this look, we're gonna go ahead and put on some cuticle oil, and voila, y'all, this is the finished nail. I do this to all of my 10 nails, and my nails are in healthy conditions and ready for your next set. If you have any questions, sound off in the comments, and you guys already know, I'll catch you all in the next one.